Welcome to Yardie Belly's Kitchen, and today we are doing a quick mango salsa, salad. I would say it's a salad. All right. So here we have some stuff that we're gonna be putting in it, and this is some mangoes that grew up on my neighbor tree, and it now fully ripe. What we call it in Jamaica is turn, yeah, almost ripe, but it's not fully ripe, so we're gonna use it today to make some salad, right? And we have a cucumber, one cucumber. We have some watermelon, cause the wife make a salad there, me I tell you it's so good. And we have some pearl grape tomatoes. We have grape tomatoes. Alright, I get them grape tomatoes at Aldi. And yeah, we're gonna basically cut up the mango, cut up the cucumbers, add some of this, cut up that, put everything in the container, and I don't know what else I add to it, because it's her recipe. Alright, so join us in the kitchen for more finger licking, Yardie Belly style food. Yeah, that's how the thing set. So here is the melon that the wifey are cut up. It is very melonish. And
try to cut it in cubes.
And you try to cut it same size to make everything fit nicely over here. So
right, we already cut up
so we already cut up the mango and the cucumbers, and now we're cutting the melon and adding it to the salad. Yes, melon, cucumber, mango, melon, cucumber, mango, melon, cucumber, mango. My tell us that, ladies and gentlemen, folks, all my peeps, all the yardies out there, if you try this one, you will love it. It is so fresh. It is so summery.
It's not fresh, it's sweet.
No, I mean fresh, like not fresh, not taste fresh, but fresh as in, you know?
Not stale.
Not stale, yeah, and bubbly. It's like it's really nice.
I know what you mean.
It's springy. Yeah, that type of fresh I'm talking. You know? And it works very, very nicely with, like, if you have like grilled chicken or anything like that, you know?
You wouldn't believe what I'm gonna eat mine today. It's just so unconventional.
What you gonna eat it with?
Tortilla chips.
Tortilla chips? Like a salsa?
Yes.
Oh wow. Oh, I bought that tortilla chips from Aldi. Cantina chips, the thin one. Yeah. Folks, you have to check out Aldi. This is a shameless plug for Aldi supermarkets. It's such a nice place. Things are not that expensive, and most of them are organic, and you know, it's just unpretentious type of food. You hear that big word there? Unpretentious, you know? The food just look
Especially
it look original. It look like I know them not try for rob you and blind you with a whole heap of wrong advertising and them thing there. You know? It just look like genuine food. Yeah, so Aldi. Yeah. But the next thing we're going to cut up is we have a red onion. Cause my wife wants some onion in it. You can use red onion, or you can use Vidalia onion, which is a sweet one that tastes like apple. But she wants red onion in this one. And the red onion works in most of the salads and them something there with red onion in it. So we'll cut up the red onion next. You have to videotape me. I cut this. Show me some knife skill up. See? My very nice skill up, you know. So folks, we just cut up these.
Oh, wow, so pretty.
Yeah. Look at my skill. Watch it. Watch it. I'm a very nice skilled person.
But I'm really both sister, but if you didn't skill it, I'll go faster. Like
no. You want me to cut up myself. The man them know what them do with the
onion is so
purple.
pretty. OMG, this is like food art.
All right, so we're going to put these purple onions into the bowl. Come with the camera. Into the bowl.
Wow. Whoosh.
It's so very whooshy. What next?
What a little pretty little thing.
What next?
We're gonna put some parsley. A little bit of parsley.
Come sure.
Over there, so
You're
everything
gonna
on
put
your
some
thing looks
parsley.
so vibrant.
It looks very intelligent. And pretty much you're just gonna wash this parsley. This is enough, P? We're gonna wash this parsley right quick and then just use the leaves, you know, to add it, alright? And we have added some navel orange slices. See them there? And we added our parsley and we added our tomatoes. And now the job of mixing them up and just making the salad. See? She used one fork and me use one fork. And we just break up the onion then. I don't want to mash up the fruits them. So yeah, look there. It's pretty. It is so pretty. Let me move myself not out of the way. Josh, come look on this and tell me if you like it. Mommy is gonna make it for dinner. Mommy's making it for dinner and she's gonna only eat hers with nachos. I don't know yet. It looks so good. It's very divine. And she don't want a lot of tomatoes in there, so I just put some in there for me. You want tomatoes, Jack? You want the pearl tomatoes in there?
Them lost.
I don't see any tomatoes.
See, the 3 tomatoes are in the corner. Those will be mine. Hee.
Alright,
So-
what else we're gonna add? Some salt?
So now, you want the salt and black pepper?
Yeah.
Alright, so which one of the salt you want? The smoked salt or you just want regular salt?
Regular.
Okay. So we're adding some pink Himalayan salt, yeah. And them it's almost done, but we forgot to get more. Fresh market. And we're adding black pepper. Joshua, do the black pepper. You pull this off at the top, turn it upside down, and spin it, grind it. Harder. Oh my God. Whoa, mama. Whoa. See, black pepper. And then it's ready to share out and serve out, and there's something I make you eat up the thing. So ladies and gentlemen, try this in your neck of the woods, yeah? Fresh salt. Oh, she's not done. She shall be back. And the final, well, I don't know for the final, but we have some lemon now we're going to squeeze over it. Just to give it that tang. That zing, and it's real lemon we use. You can use lime, but yeah, lemon have its own personal flavor. Don't throw that skin there. I put it in the fridge. Yeah, I freeze the lemon skin and use it, you know, in our dressings and stuff like that. Alright, so now the wife is going to transfer some to her personal bowl.
Bowl?
Yeah? Woohoo! And as you can notice, we didn't put any dressing on it because one of the things that, how we explain the dressing argument?
I feel like if you put the dressing on everything in advance, it just kind of gets soggy after a while. And for me, I don't want to eat it again after the first.
So you have to say from me with attitude, where you flash your head a while ago, you said me?
I don't want to eat it after the first serving, so I rather to add the dressing in individual bowls so that if there's any leftover, it's not overly soggy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So on this particular bowl, I don't know if everybody wants this. I'm gonna be adding this glaze to mine.
Hold on, let me see if we can pick it up here. It's a strawberry balsamic vinegar glaze, and I got this from Aldi. And folks, it's very, very good, right? It's so good. Yeah, I know. It's so good. It's a balsamic reduction, and it just makes the something taste good, you know, rich. And you can put it on even ice cream, you know. And you know, see, go on, my girl. Woo, flashy. Yeah. And with the tortilla chips there and them something, you can finish up the thing with it. Yeah, it looks so intelligent. It looks so intelligent. And this is the tortilla chips. Yeah, thin and crispy Cantina tortilla chips. Lord, see that? Yeah. You can't tell her nothing. No, not our food at. You can't tell her nothing. Yeah, try this in your neck of the woods, folks. Our mango, watermelon, and cucumber summer salad with balsamic reduction glaze, served on with tortilla chips. Try it, and you will like it. I promise you. Yardie Belly. Like, share, subscribe, and remember to tell your friends about Yardie Belly, into Farid, Yardie Belly TV, and of course, yeah, she mash up the whole house now. The whole house mash up. Hey, I saw it stare on you. Things get real. Remember, I told you.